Okay, we are outside the residence of Mamata Banerjee. I happen to be here. My car was parked here. And now what has happened, at about 7:30 this evening, it's now 10 p.m. At about 7:30 this evening, her PSOs, who've been with her for 20 years, were taken back by the West Bengal police. And now I'm outside her residence just here, you can see, and there are no police. So I parked my car here, I put out that video, parked my car here just to make her feel a little more secure. Now I'm going to go in, আমি ভেতরে যাচ্ছি, এখানে গাড়ির সামনে পার্ক করে রেখেছি। এখানে কেউ ঢুকতে পারে না, কোনো কেউ ঢুকতে পারে না। আর এখন ঢুকছি, এখানে ঢুকছি মমতাদির বাড়িতে, এখানে কোনো পুলিশ নেই, all empty, completely empty. This is here. Can you believe it? এটা হচ্ছে। That is the entrance. Come here, please. Come here, I'll show you. Right down. At the back, পেছনে, at the back, পেছনে, leading on to the canal at the back. Here we are. This is where Mohammad was sitting just now. He was sitting here, literally sitting here. We just entered inside. What kind of pressure is this? What kind of, I mean, is there a light here? Oh my God. Okay. This is the vendetta. Unknown PSOs who she's not familiar with. After 20-25 years, you want to change your PSOs. 3-4 people come here. This is the home. How risky is this? This is unprecedented. I happen to be here because my car was parked outside. There we are. I happen to be here. I came to pick up my car. Otherwise, I'm usually not here at 9 o'clock in the night. Because I came to pick up my car. Then I got a call from my colleague Kalyan Banerjee, who told me that the PSOs have been removed. Kalyan stays just a few pashe thake. So that's why I've come here. These people have also left. They were asked to leave because this is an unknown situation. She didn't want to be surrounded by unknown people. Either. So that is the story. এখানে কি ঘটেছে? মমতা দি এখানে আছে বাড়িতে। আমরা মমতা দির 2-3 জন এখানে রাতে থেকে যাবে। আননোন 3 জন পিএসও কে এখানে পাঠানো হয়েছে। কে কোথায় আর্মস? What is going on? What is going on? It is very disturbing. It is very, very disturbing. Why are they doing this? Why? Because she walked with hawkers this evening. Why? Because she filed a case for the Bhawanipur elections. Bhawanipur election case diyece ar eta. How can you send 3 unfamiliar people? Just take you back there. Show you exactly যে কিভাবে এখানে হচ্ছে। Just এটা দেখো। এখানে কালকে থেকে এই অবস্থা। টোটালি যাদের চেনা নেই, ওদের ডাকা হয়েছে, ওদের পিএসও 20-25 যখন মমতাদি এমপি ছিল সেই সময় থেকে পিএসও কে আজকে সরিয়ে দিয়েছে, ওদের ডাকা হয়েছে, কালকে ওরা আসবে কি আসবে না। এখানে এখন রাত 10টা বাজে, এটা মমতাদির বাড়ি, পেছনে তৃণমূলের হেডকোয়ার্টার। আর কি বলবো, এই দেখুন এখানে আমরা শুরু করে যাই। এখানে একদম গেটের সামনে আমি গাড়িটা পার্ক করে রেখে দিয়েছি। সৌভাগ্য যে কল্যাণ আমাকে ফোন করেছিল আর আমার গাড়িটা ওখানে পার্ক ছিল, তাই রাত্রে গাড়িটি তুলতে এসেছি। এত পলিটিক্যাল ভেন্ডেটা।